What is going on, good people? I appreciate you guys stopping by my channel. Pay yourself back. I am your host, CeeLo. If you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't know what you're waiting for. It is free. And to all of my subscribers, I appreciate you guys supporting me. And today, guys, I am in Orlando, Florida at the Hilton Grand Vacation Club. I'm at the Tuscany Village. Now, to my understanding, not only do the hotel rent out these rooms, but they also sell these rooms too. They have timeshares here. So today's video, guys, is basically going to be a walk around. I'm going to show you this beautiful room here. The decor is just great. It is a king suite. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? I hope you are, because after I showed you guys this room, next time you are in Orlando, I'm pretty sure you're gonna think about, well, you should think about renting a room here at the Tuscany Village. So let's go ahead and get to it, baby. All right, guys, so we definitely have to start out in the kitchen. I mean, this was a selling point for me. I mean, because it makes you feel like you're right at home. I mean, so stainless steel appliances. You have everything that you need. If you wanted to not go out and eat, I mean, you could bring your food and cook it right here. You know, if you wanted to save some money, you know, I love the tile backsplash. That's nice. All the colors complement one another. You know, nice refrigerator, freezer. Oh yeah. Just in case you forgot some of the essentials, they have your little your dishwashing soap, little thing of dishwashing soap, trash bags, extra paper towels, trash bin there, and also you got some up here. You got your pitcher up there in case you want to make you some Kool-Aid glasses, wine glasses there for those romantic moments. And they also have pots and pans for cooking. And you got, what else we got up here? Got some plates, bowls, coffee cups. So let's check out the closet here, a little closet space. And you know it comes with your standard ironing board. You know, that's a luggage right there. I specifically chose this room, guys, because I want to tell you right now, the pictures, the online pictures just don't do justice. I mean, actually being here, you're like, wow, the decor is just outstanding in my, you know, my honest opinion. Hey, Janet.
Hi.
We chilling. That's Miss Janet right there. I mean, check it out. This is a living room area here. That's your patio or your balcony out there. We're gonna go out there in a second, guys. But just look at that television. That's got to be like a 65 or probably a 60 or 65. No, that's bigger than a 60. That's probably a 65 or maybe a 70-inch flat screen right there. LG, good brand. Let's step on into the bedroom. And this is a king suite, once again. The layout is just gorgeous. Again, all the colors complement it. It really gives you that, like that Italian, you know, that Italian look. Very distinguished look. And what I like about it also, guys, is the tub. Now this tub here is a jetted tub. You know, you can probably get about 3 or 4 people in there. I want to say, I believe they call it a jetted tub. That's what I call it. Got your mirror up there if you want to look at yourself doing whatever. Let's see, what is this here? You have another closet here. Yeah, there we go. Have another closet in the bedroom here. You got your safe. You want to lock up your valuables, which I have some valuables, you know, blankets, your standard. You got your clothes hangers there. standard room accessories. Over here into the bathroom, which is again very nice. I love the tile. To me, this is a very elegant hotel. I mean, all the colors and all the amenities, you know, and the granite, the cabinetry, everything complements itself very well. Very luxurious in my honest review, my honest opinion. And over here, you don't find a whole lot of rooms that I've seen with a washer and a dryer. So I imagine if you had family, especially kids, this would definitely come in handy. You're going to SeaWorld or some of those other places where you're going to get wet. This is very handy, very convenient. And I guess right here is, in this room right here, I would imagine is your, like your water heater, or it sounds like something is running. So I imagine it's something like your utility closet right there. So let's go ahead and go outside and check out this balcony, this patio. Fresh air. Yep. And you want to know something else that's real cool about this is that it has a screen. So no mosquitoes, no skeeters, no bugs getting in here. I mean, look how peaceful and how calm. It's just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. This place has 7 buildings and we are in building number 7. Oh yeah. You got your blinds that are in the glass here, so you don't have to worry about the wind flapping back and forth. I don't really know how you would control, how you would do them up and down. Let's see. I still can't find anything to open or close them. So, I hope that you guys have enjoyed the tour of the room. Again, this is the Hilton Grand Vacation Tuscany Village, and we're gonna have a good time, guys. I appreciate you guys watching the video, appreciate you guys supporting me, and until next time, be well, my friend. Silos out, baby.